I am a concealed carry instructor.
At the Eagle Gun Range in suburban Oak Forest, almost every seat is filled.
The best way for you to learn is to ask your questions.
The class cost $140. It's another $153 to the state to buy the coveted conceal and carry license, the CCL, giving the legal right to carry a gun.
And if stopped by law enforcement for any reason, if they ask if you have any weapons in the vehicle, answer honestly.
Lewis McWilliams took a class like this, passed it, got his CCL, and bought this 9mm pistol.
Hey, how you doing, boss? Good.
So last April, when Lewis was pulled over for a traffic violation, he did exactly what he'd learned in class.
You're legit. You bought the gun legally. Answer honestly.
Okay, where's your firearm? On my side. Okay, you got your concealed carry license?
I played by the book. I did things the right way.
And it didn't matter. Even though Lewis handed officers his valid CCL, when they couldn't find it in the state's computer, they did this. He was charged with 2 felonies. After months in and out of court, prosecutors who initially signed off on the false charges eventually determined Lewis's CCL was valid, so they dropped them. This was little consolation to Lewis.
No matter how much you follow a system of which they create, they can still deem you wrong.
Lewis is among the black gun owners CBS News Chicago investigators discovered who had valid CCLs.
I am concealed and carry.
But were still charged.
Just watch your head.
Only to have their cases dismissed.
Who brought their gun with them today?
How often have innocent gun owners faced charges that were ultimately dropped? It's a question we can't answer because neither the Cook County State's Attorney's Office nor Chicago Police track the cases. Lewis is now taking legal action.
I feel like my rights was violated.
We have earned the right, more than anybody in this country, to carry a firearm. We fought for this country when we weren't even citizens.
Phil Smith is the president of the National African American Gun Association and says others should follow Lewis's lead.
File a lawsuit and follow through on the lawsuit. If a police chief has 4 or 5 lawsuits, $4 or $5 million, they're going to get a call from somebody to say, hey, start treating those people differently.
We're going to have to make some changes.
Our investigation also caught the attention of Illinois Representative Jehan Gordon Booth.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker.
She represents downstate Peoria and has championed a groundbreaking bill.
The work represented in the measure gives me great pride.
It offers certain offenders with nonviolent criminal records a chance to have their cases automatically sealed, removing them from public view. But in the cases of the drivers we featured, they never should have had criminal records. They were dealt a major injustice.
Oh my God, y'all are so bogus.
Like Lewis, Lucy Washington faced a felony she didn't deserve. And this mugshot stayed on her record long after the charges were dismissed, nearly wrecking her real estate career.
My mugshot showed up on Google right next to my property address. You know, that was an embarrassing moment. And around that time, I did end up losing out on the deal.
All of this because of illegal everything.
If I was innocent from the beginning, why would I have to go and clean and expunge a record?
We're now talking about individuals that they didn't make a mistake. A mistake was thrusted upon them. That, to me, is a completely different set of facts and circumstances that has to be addressed.
Her suggestion, a bill that would provide wrongly charged gun owners with automatic expungement the moment the case is dismissed.
It should be removed. Hard stop. It should be removed. And they should not have to pay a lawyer to do it.
Gordon Booth says it'll take time to develop such a bill, but she believes these cases deserve attention because there could be many more like them.
So disrupting my life didn't mean anything to them officers, and until something comes where it rattles their cage, I think that's the only time they're going to pay attention and say it meant something.
Dorothy Tucker, CBS News, Chicago investigators.